To visit the 2024 World Defense Show, visitors embarked on a journey through a corridor in outer space. As they traversed this celestial passage, state-of-the-art defense satellites could be observed through the windows, showcasing the pinnacle of technological advancement. But how do you bring a corridor and satellites from outer space to your event? Here's the story. The World Defense Show. It takes place every 2 years and is the premier showcase of the future of defense with technological developments from around the globe. For the latest edition of 2024, the organizers are looking for technology solutions that have never been done before to capture the cutting-edge philosophy of the event. One proposal among all others stands out. The company is Fractal Systems, and they specialize in designing complex engineering solutions for high-value projects. What they propose is one of a kind. A 16-meter-long LED tunnel to welcome the visitors, that is 7 meters wide, without any vertical support beams along the center. It is an impressive proposition, but seems impossible. A tunnel that wide, holding nearly 4 tons of LED screens, can bend and collapse under the huge weight, and put everyone's safety at risk. The safety standards are strict, and the risks too high. So the engineers at Fractal get to work on designing a self-standing structure that can support the weight spanning over 7 meters in width and 16 meters in length. After weeks of meticulously testing design iterations, the engineers are confident that their structure can support the weight without any risks. But now, they face another challenge. Constructing the tunnel is one thing. Making it feel like a walkway in outer space is a completely different feat of software and content creation. So the engineers turn to their in-house content creation team. The designers at Fractal get to work, ideating and brainstorming creative concepts to turn the physical tunnel into an immersive walkway. They develop some impressive storyboards, but the organizers are concerned about the extensive work to be done in the available short time. The team, however, is fully committed, so they get to work right away. Working non-stop for weeks, the designers are able to create and implement some of the highest quality content that turns the solid walls of the tunnel into a see-through walkway in outer space. Something that seemed impossible. With expert planning and preparation, the on-site installation takes just 4 days. The organizers are suitably impressed, and the tunnel is a success. Thanks to the agility and expertise of Fractal, the tunnel is ready in time to welcome all the visitors of the event in a safe and futuristic way. Do you have any challenging project that seems impossible? Contact Fractal. They'll make it happen.